Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I'm really excited today to show you this brand new model from Sea Ray. Sea Ray came out with the brand new 260 SLX. So they used to have a 25-foot and now they've reimagined it, and this is the brand new 26-foot SLX. So let's take a look first at the outside. So this particular boat we made pretty classic. So a nice classic white with the black hull side color too, the accent color. In the lighting package that's in this Sea Ray logo does illuminate from the lights on the outside. So it looks really cool when you put that on at night. And then also with that lighting package is some lighting in the back right here, some LED blue lighting. So that's kind of cool. Love the swim platform. So tons of space back here on the swim platform to hang out with the family and friends. We've got a wash down on that side, so if you got sand on your feet, you can wash that down. Your gas cap is back here. We do have the boarding ladder, and then we did add, as part of that package, the underwater lighting. So that's very bright blue underwater lights that can turn on at night, obviously. And then we have the Mercury. So the Mercury, this is the Bravo 3. It's a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engine for this 260. So lots to see on the inside, lots of options. Let's go climb aboard. All right, welcome aboard this 260 SLX. So I'm gonna start in the back here. First thing I'll point out is the color. This is what they call Dune. Obviously you can see this is like a nice tan, so very popular color that we get here a lot. Tons of space back here on the swim platform. Can lounge out, lay down, sit up with the backrest right there. Underneath this seat right here is a bunch of storage, very deep, got lots of room in there, put tubes, put fenders, whatever it is you need to put down there, and easy to access as well. And then underneath this seat right here is a built-in cooler. Put some ice in there, throw your drinks, you're all set to go. And then the last really cool thing I want to show you on the back here is the manual sunshade. So if it gets really hot and your people back here want to get some much needed shade, you just manually pull that out, and boom, now they're underneath that shade. And a really cool option for this is you can actually drive this boat with this out, and it is not going to go anywhere. So that's actually kind of cool. You don't have to put it back in, but you can keep it out while you're driving. As I come into the 260 SLX, we can see lots of wraparound seating. You can see the sea deck on the floor. There's storage underneath a couple of these. You can see I have the LED blue lighting on the interior turned on. And then a really cool thing that comes with the tower is a light that comes down, and you can see that's the Sea Ray logo in your floor. So that's kind of a cool thing that they added for the 260. I want to point out the head. So open the door right here. Nice well-appointed head. You got a sink, some storage, and then on the 260, this is the vacuum flush version. So that is nice to have. Then up at the helm. So they redid this helm with this brand new boat with dual screens. So right now they're both in the same, but I can have a screen that controls the boat with the lights and different things. And on this side right here, I can do Mercury, so I can see the engine and all the information regarding the engine as well. So beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with the Sea Ray logo in there. We do have an option to have cell phone chargers, wireless cell phone chargers right here as well. And then with the 350, we get the digital throttle and also active trim. Active trim will trim the boat automatically for you as you start to go and bring it to that perfect attitude when you're driving it. As far as the stereo system goes, we got the Fusion stereo. We have the nice upgraded speakers with a subwoofer and amplifier. So the sound system in this is really, really nice. The other thing I want to point out, in the tower, it is a power tower. So there's a button in the back and there's a button up at the helm that you can use to bring the tower down. And it will actually just come straight down and land right on top of the windshield here. So if it's a cooler day or a windier day, you can actually just bring this down and drive, and it actually brings down the temperature in the cockpit. Otherwise, if it's a really nice day, you can keep that up, let the air flow right through. So it's an awesome option from Sea Ray for the 260 SLX. And then up in the bow, again 260, so we got plenty of space up here. I got armrests, I got cup holders, I've got storage, and then the one storage I'll show you too on this one that opens up, and you've got just massive storage down in that area right there. So, brand new 260 SLX. It's a 2024 that we have here at our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look at this boat, you can either just stop on by or give us a call to set up an appointment. We'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.